So what you guys built today?
What we have right here is an awesome budget mini ITX PC featuring i5 6500 and RX 588 gig, and she's looking pretty nice.
Yes, this build, NZXT H210, nice mini ITX case that I really personally like because you get a full power supply basement, you have lots of room for cable management, you get the really nice NZXT clean look, and it's just a really good build. We added some V-True ARGB fans with an ARGB hub, so they're all controlled by that one hub. You can even control the fan speed, and also this 588 gig has 5 display outs on it, so you definitely can't complain about that. But for esports titles, for AAA titles at lower settings, 1080p, you're not going to have any problems with this build. And Matt, you want to talk about some of those other components in there?
Yeah, we got a 256 gig NVMe SSD, 32 gigs of RAM, which is definitely a little overkill, but you got room for upgrades in the future. It is DDR4, you can move it to wherever you want. And a 700 watt power supply, so upgrades as well there. And overall, yeah, it's a really nice build. It's going to be $600 over at PCBros.tech. You can buy this PC and many others using code TOZYBROS2, and you'll save 2% on your next purchase. Buy this PC, PCBros.tech.
Do it.